About 3 to 4 weeks ago, I rolled my ankle, sprained it really hard.
Yes.
Came here with Dr. Barr. Immediately the day after, she helped me out with some BPC, injecting it in the area where I sprained it, mostly in the Achilles.
I came to your house. I remember you couldn't move. Yeah.
Came to my house.
Yeah.
I thought I had broke it. I mean, after the BPC, probably within a day or two, I was already feeling much better, and it was already on track to healing.
Nice.
Right now, we're
Can move it. Yeah.
it just cracks. That's normal. But I can move it, and it's pretty much good. It doesn't feel like it's broken anymore. So I can walk. I can do a light jog, and like I said, it's been working very well for me.
Fantastic. So for people to know, you went to the urgent care, they did x-rays and all that, and then we decided the best treatment for that is peptides. So for people who don't know, BPC is a peptide. And we talked about stem cells, but I don't want to waste your money. I think I'd like to start peptides, 3 shots, 4 shots, and people get better. So that's my first one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.